Skating down the street. About to go up this staircase. See this Tuk Tuk filled with Thai sweets. Let's go take a look. I'm not an expert on Thai sweets, but this is sick. Sawasdee Krab. Wow. I believe they're all like coconut flavored. Look at that. That looks like coconut cream or milk with some kind of jelly inside. Holy shit. What is that? Oh, there's donuts back there. Oh my god. Look at those donuts. Yeah, we're just chilling. This is the side of my street. We're right near the Kongsan Market Cup. So we're gonna get some of this.